Yeah, what's up, guys? Have you thought about going to social media platform? Probably you see a video, a clip, or you would like to download probably an audio, and you like to download it, but you can't download it. Before, I think you can't even download from TikTok before, but there are some features like that, and there are some videos you can download on TikTok. So I'll be showing you guys how to download those things right on your phone with the aid of this application. So what you need to do first of all, let me head back to Facebook. Let me head to Facebook and pick a video. So if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to copy the link of this video. You can click on share and you copy the link. So you come down to this place. All you need to do now is to paste the link. After you place the link, you're going to click on this download button below. Then you select the format. If you want to download video, audio, or is it just video, then actually I like the subtitle, so I selected the subtitle. And to check if there's a playlist, especially if you're downloading on YouTube, I'll show you how to do that as well. So click on download, so to fetch the information for me. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you like what I'm doing, if you like this video actually added value to you, you can give me a thumb up or leave a comment below if you are confused. So this is it. If I want to download the video, I don't need to touch anything here. I'll just click on download. But if I want to modify some things, maybe I want to get just the audio or just the video without the audio, you can select any of these options there. So now just click on download at the top there. Then I'll wait for it to load. You can see it's loading. It's loading. So you can see it's downloading and it has downloaded. If you check you can see it has downloaded here. So how you know, you come and click this icon here at the top corner, then you can see videos I've downloaded. So if I click on this now, it's going to show me the link where I downloaded it from. Like this one, I downloaded it from YouTube. So you can easily download YouTube video. Let me go to my video player, and I'll go to local, so you can see the video at the top here. I downloaded it, so it's on my phone now. You can do the same thing for TikTok and the rest. So you just head back to TikTok, open your TikTok account, your TikTok page. As soon as you grab, all we need to grab the video on TikTok. Grab the video on TikTok. Like if you click on share, there's some videos you can download. Click on share, you're supposed to be able to, especially this video. You can't download this video. There are some videos you can download on TikTok, but you can't download this particular video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the link, copy the link. Like video like this is downloadable. You can see the download option right here. You can see the download video, save video, but the previous video you can't download it. So for such video, what do? We'll come back to sale. That's the name of the application we're using. We'll go back, paste the link here, then I'll click on download, and all I need is just the video, so it will fetch it for me. Any platform you can think of online, and the funny part is it's totally free. You're not paying for it. So this is the video. I can download just the audio, especially those TikTok sounds you like. You can download just the audio. You can download the format of the video you want. You can see different formats, different size. So I'm just going to download just this video. So you just look down here, you see it's loading. Then to load, as soon as the bar is fully complete, then you're good to go. So you can see the video is actually downloading, and this is the size here, and the duration is 19 seconds. And oh, there was an error. Okay, let's download it again. Still fetching. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please you can do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, still loading. Yeah, that's downloaded. So you can see the video. Oh, the first one never entered. So you can see the video. We have both video. Yeah. So that's that. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. And if you want to download the playlist, let's just do one more. If you want to download the playlist from YouTube, let's assume you have a course you are following on YouTube. Let me use my channel for an example. The Venzi tag. So I'm going to go to the Venzi. So click on my YouTube channel. Click on playlists. So I'm looking for a playlist with many videos. So I'm going to click on this. Then I'll click on share. I just need to copy the URL of the playlist. So I will download all the video at once. Then I've copied it. So open my seal. Then go back again. Then so paste the link here, sorry. Then I'll click on download. So it's actually currently fetching. It's currently fetching the, you can see it's loading up here. It's fetching the, what's it called, the videos, the playlist. So you can see all the video in that playlist. So if I want to download all this video, all I'll do is to select all. Then I'll click on download it to download them for me. So that's for all. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.